This is the elevator at JCPenney at Millcreek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Flash Seelar. Here it is. Oh wow. Let's go to 2. Oh wow. Here we go. What the hell? Oh, there we go. I thought I got stuck for a second. Now the indicator works. Here are 2. Let's go down to 1. There we go. Let's get a cab view. Very nice. Very interesting color for a JCPenney. Here are 1. Go up to 2. Hold on. It's not working. There we go. There we go. Here are 2. Here's the phone. Here's a certificate. It's a Seelar. Here I have 1. And that's it.